In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a decimal to a whole number using Power Automate. Whether you're dealing with numbers on a spreadsheet or managing data in your business applications, rounding decimal numbers to whole numbers is a common task, and Power Automate makes this process straightforward and efficient. So, let's dive into it. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to Power Automate. If you're not familiar with it, Power Automate is a cloud-based service provided by Microsoft that allows users to automate workflows between your favorite apps and services to synchronize files, get notifications, collect data, and so much more. Once you're in, go ahead and create a new flow. Now, you can choose a trigger to start the process. For simplicity, let's select Manually Trigger a Flow. This choice gives you complete control over when the flow should run, making it perfect for testing and learning purposes. Next, there's an optional step you might find useful if you want to work with a specific decimal number. You can initialize a variable. To do this, add an Initialize Variable action. This action is handy if you wish to define a number you plan to use later. Set the name of the variable, say, decimal value. Choose float as the type since we are dealing with decimal numbers. Here you can assign it any decimal number you wish, for example, 12.89. Initializing a variable is not mandatory, but it's a useful way to handle numbers that might change over time or require more flexibility in your flow. Now we'll focus on the core step, adding a Format Number action. Click on plus New Step and search for Format Number. Select it when it appears. This action is where the conversion takes place, and it's both powerful and versatile. Let's configure this Format Number action aptly. For the number field, choose the decimal number or variable that you intend to convert. In our scenario, you could select the decimal value variable we created earlier. Then, for the Format field, enter N0. This formatting string effectively rounds your number to 0 decimal places, converting it to a whole number. Simplicity is key here. The Power Automate team has done an impressive job streamlining this functionality. If locale is significant for your needs, be sure to specify it, something like NUS if you're working within the United States. While this field can be adjusted based on geographical formatting standards, it usually defaults to your environment settings, so most users won't need to modify this. Finally, let's talk about using the output of the Format Number action. It provides you with a string representing your newly converted whole number. This output can be seamlessly incorporated into subsequent actions in your flow, whether you're updating a database, sending a notification, or even populating another document. And there you have it. You've turned a decimal into a whole number using Power Automate, a simple yet highly useful skill to have in your digital toolbox. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your workflows.